Hi friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss for loop. For loop is very beneficial in so many cases. Okay, it saves our time, it saves our resources, it saves our effort, right? So suppose I want to print 1 to 5. How can I print this in JavaScript? One way is declare 5 variables and print 5 times to the console, right? And E. Okay, this is one way. Let's see the output first. See, it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Instead of this, we can use for loop. So how do we declare for loop in JavaScript? Very easy. For we need to define 3 attributes, and that is if I is equal to 0 colon I less than equal to 5 semicolon I plus plus. Okay, let's print these values console.log I. Okay, let's save this and run this page. See, we got 0 also because we have started printing from 0. Okay, if we change it to 1, it will print from 1. See, it printed from 1 to, okay, 1, it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in JavaScript we can also use for loop to print a information in a loop. Okay, and if you have any questions related to for loop, comment below. Okay, I'm going to meet you with another important topic in next video. Thank you.